Ladies and gentlemen, if there was a perfect entrance for the all-new GLA, this was it. In movie production, every great story needs three things. You need a vision, you need a star, and you need a crew that brings it all to life. Our vision was to create a compact SUV that's ready for every scene in life. Whether it's the daily commute, a spontaneous getaway, or a long-planned road trip, the GLA is always ready for the next take. No wonder it's the newest star of the Mercedes Benz family.
Exactly, Matthias. And now we will go behind the scenes to see what makes the GLA the perfect companion.
Well, then let's start with the design. The GLA delivers confidence and a new level of refinement. This might be my favorite perspective of this car. Its lower silhouette, the longer wheelbase, the wider rear track, and the more powerful shoulder line create a sporty and confident character. But one detail truly steals the show. For the first time in our compact segment, the GLA features our illuminated, iconic grille. Day and night, it lets We've worked hard to focus on the things that really matter to our customers. More space, more legroom in the front and back, high-quality materials, and enhanced comfort, all designed to create what we call the Mercedes Benz welcome home feeling. But the real magic unfolds through the technology that brings every journey to life. And that magic starts with our MBUX Superscreen.
Your widescreen for the road. So let's have a closer look. As you can see, it spans the entire dashboard and opens up a world of exceptional in-car entertainment. But here's what it makes truly special. It adapts to you. You direct the experience by touch, by voice, over the steering wheel controls. And everything is organized around what matters most. Just like organizing apps on your smartphone, you can customize and group what's important to you. It's personalized, intuitive, and simply elegant. Now, every man act needs a great co-star, and that's our MB.OS tech stack. It's the Mercedes Benz operating system that powers everything from intelligent conversation to seamless connectivity and entertainment.
Well, entertainment, one of my favorite topics. With more than 40 apps, you can stream content from YouTube, Right View from Sony Pictures Entertainment and Disney+, now even with Dolby Atmos. That's Hollywood entertainment wherever you go in your GLA. If you think this is big, you'll love what's coming next. Soon, we will even add live sports from DAZN and Apple AirPlay Video, leading the next generation of premium in-car experiences. And with our MBUX Superscreen, everything feels intuitive and personal.
Of course, Matthias, there's much more to the in-car digital experience. MB.OS also powers our hyper-intelligent MBUX Virtual Assistant. This is voice technology on a completely different level. Thanks to AI agents from ChatGPT and Google Gemini, it can hold conversations using natural human-like language and even remember context. Navigation is powered by Google Maps, and we've added our new MBUX Surround Navigation, which combines live surroundings with route guidance. So, MB.OS powers your entire digital experience. But it's also the foundation of something far more essential, our safety systems. Using the power of our MB.OS software and advanced AI, the new GLA can process data from the sensors and cameras in real time to assess the traffic situation. In Europe, the new GLA comes as standard with a comprehensive suite of ambient drive safety and comfort features. Think of it as your stunt coordinator and safety expert in one, always watching, always protecting. And now our customers are faced with a decision, so to speak, the director's choice, because we've created two distinct characters, each with its own personality and strength. One is battery electric, and the other has internal combustion. The fully electric GLA has a range of up to 657 kilometers on a single charge. That means you can drive from dusk till dawn without a charging stop. Want to go even further? With 800-volt technology, you can recharge up to 270 kilometers in just 10 minutes. In other words, nearly 1,000 kilometers of range. Early next year, we will also offer a high-tech hybrid with two power options and the choice of front or all-wheel drive.
Well, and Jörg, every great movie production needs flexibility. So does everyday life. And that's exactly what the GLA is built for. Let's talk boot space. As you can see, we are really prepared well for tonight with lots of popcorn, and the GLA has more than enough space for celebrating tonight.
And every great movie needs a plot twist. Like all our latest electric cars, it also has a frunk. With 107 liters, it makes everyday life just a little bit easier.
Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new electric GLA brings 140 years of innovation to the next chapter. Every detail is crafted around your needs, making every journey more enjoyable. And behind every great star is an exceptional team. Thanks to everyone whose passion and dedication made the new GLA happen.
All right, we now get to take a huge step back and hear three very different, very personal stories from the people who put all their blood, sweat, and tears in creating the all-new GLA. My experts, the masterminds behind shaping this new vehicle. I'm going to start out over here. Design. Any and everything about the Mercedes Benz operating system you ever wanted to know. For that, we have Jade. Welcome. Last but not least, to connect the dots, of course, we need to look at product management. And for that, we have product manager Stefan.
Hi.
And we begin with the obvious, with design. What do you say?
Let's do that.
All right, let's do it. So I'll see you guys in a minute. And when it comes to design, what is your favorite part, or what is the biggest difference in comparison to the previous generation?
Well, as a designer, I have to talk about the proportions of this new GLA. And we've made the new GLA 20 millimeters lower. We've taken away from the roof line. We've stretched the wheelbase by 61 millimeters.
What?
Widened the rear track by 31 millimeters. So overall, we've made this car lower, longer, and wider, making it just much more sporty and more expressive than ever before.
Any grille, but the illuminated grille? Hauke, I'm assuming this isn't just eye candy. There must be some serious technology that lies behind all of this.
This is our high-tech illuminated masterpiece, where we blend our rich heritage with design, technology, and craftsmanship. So this is the first time that we introduced this iconic grille into the compact segment. And all of these little illuminated dots can be seamlessly animated, orchestrating a light sequence that pulses in sync with the aura of your selected soundscape. So I guess you could say that when you approach the car is, or the grille is welcoming you with this animation.
saying hello.
Saying hello.
Very impressive. I know that there's yet one more thing that has impressed a lot of people now already, and that's in the back. So I think we need to move to the rear, shall we?
Let's do that.
I'll meet you back there.
Yeah. So the reason why everyone is talking about the rear is the athletic design. We have these muscular shoulders, this very fast section here. We have the lights located on the outside here with this connecting element just to break up the volume a little bit and giving it just much more width. So just adding to the sportiness overall.
And to the bold appearance once more. There is one last huge aspect when it comes to design we have not yet spoken of. We need to get inside, shall we?
Let's do that.
Let's do it. All right, so, well, Hauke, you've made some really nifty changes to the interior as well, haven't you?
Yeah, we did. I mean, we've moved away from the sculptural design of the predecessor and moved to a more cleaner, more minimalist design concept. The mission for the design was clear: create a cabin that has more light, more space, and just more refinement, making every journey more comfortable.
And I can imagine more comfortable means more space, right? There's more room in here.
Yeah, because we made the car the panoramic roof, we have a much greater sense of space. And just by the touch of a button, we can control whether it's transparent or 100% opaque.
Nice.
But we haven't stopped there. We have also tried to focus on just a few high-tech elements, and one that immediately catches the eye is our MBUX Superscreen. Also new to this and also new for the first time, we have this paper trim with a completely new and luxurious look and feel. To sum it up, the interior of the new GLA is contemporary, it's smart, and it genuinely feels like a step up from what you typically expect in this class.
Thank you for that, and thank you for sharing, Hauke.
Thanks for having me.
And as much as, well, appearances do matter, at the end of the day, we know it's all perfect. Let me begin with a quote that we hear quite often. MB.OS powers
I mean, for me, MB.OS is, I would like to think about it as a foundation that orchestrates everything. From the moment you're walking towards your car to when you're settling in, starting off navigation, listening to music maybe, or simply interacting with voice. MB.OS is not a feature. It's rather a horizontal platform where all of our services and functionalities get connected with each other. It's actually built to always evolve. As you can see here, we have a much larger content portfolio compared to when we launched the CLA. What it also does is that it learns about your preferences to better cater to your personal needs. At the same time, it helps us to develop software faster while maintaining the full control over our customer experience. This is super important for us. Also, imagine if you were visiting a new city, for example, and you don't know what to explore, where to go. The virtual assistant is also there to help you with that.
Really? Could you show us that, actually?
Hey, Mercedes.
Yes?
I'm for the very first time in Warsaw. Can you suggest some local restaurant where I can get very authentic Polish food?
I can suggest Podaj's Warszawski. It's a hidden gem dedicated to traditional Polish cuisine. Do you want to try it out?
Absolutely.
Driving you now.
Features, some of which we're familiar with, and you have built on those massively and brought them next level.
Exactly.
So it's going to be all the more fun, and of course you have even more support, more of a support line.
Absolutely.
It just makes me wonder what happens now, what lies around the bend for MB.OS, what comes next.
Our MB.OS system is built to always evolve. It's completely compatible with over-the-air updates. Looking towards the future, we can always release new features, new capabilities on AI, and also completely new experiences. With that, I would like to say that the true beauty of MB.OS is that it's not built for today, it's not built for the now, but it's actually built for the tomorrow. It's built for every single updates to come that makes your Mercedes more capable, more intuitive, and more for you.
And it really blends into your life and your needs.
Absolutely. It's like a trusted companion that you interact with and not really just the technology itself.
Jade, you've just made, well, all of us, I'm going to say, all the more excited for the future to come. We're going to keep a very close eye on you and your team.
Thanks a lot
Thank
for
you
having
so
me.
much. Thanks for walking us through. And to now, we'll bring things full circle and connect the dots. There's just one more aspect we need to check out, and that is, of course, product management, where it all comes together. And for that, I'm going to step back out for a chat with Stefan. So from what I've heard, all the way from confident design to hyper-intelligent technology, there is one thing that lies in the center of attention, which is the customer. It's us, right? The driver. And Stefan, would you agree on that? Was that your focal point when you were developing the new GLA?
Yeah, definitely, I would say so. We really try to make sure that the GLA is universal in the way that it adapts to real-life situations. And of course, it's about beautiful, confident design and all the innovative tech that we already learned about. But ultimately, it's also about choice, because you get to choose between the all-electric version of the GLA and the high-tech electrified combustion variants of the car. So we really learned that individualization is very important, because the choices that the driver makes really reflect on that individualization. That's also the reason why we introduced 4 lines, more visual drama, a little more bespoke materials, more sophistication, if you will. And then we have the AMG line, where things get a bit bolder, a bit sportier, a bit more performance-oriented. And we also have the AMG line Plus, which for the first time ever is available for a GLA, which is really great. It features the night package, has a unique wheel design, it has certain interior and exterior elements, so really, I would say this is the peak expression of individualization. And on top of that, we also offer the Night Edition, which features a beautiful Cosmos Black Magno paint. When we're also talking about paints, I need to mention the 2 new colors that we have. So one is called Aqua Mint, and the other one is called Sheer Blue. So they really just add a clean, distinct look to the car.
Wow, so a whole lot of variety, lots of choice there. Let me latch on to something you also just mentioned, the fully electric version of the GLA. The first 2 questions that always come to mind are, how far can I drive before I need to recharge? And when I do, how long does that take?
The GLA has a really great range. It's up to 657 kilometers. So if you travel with that car, range anxiety is probably not your travel buddy. And we also have the 800 volts technology in there. So this one is really a game changer. You can recharge up to 270 kilometers in just 10 minutes.
So talking about things that make life easier, we need to look at assistance systems. What do we need to know there? What has changed?
So we have plenty of great assistance systems. They're called MB Drive assistance systems. We have a great 360 degrees camera, which allows for a perfect view around the car. So there's one more feature I really like to mention. It's called Rim Protect, and it adds this distance warning to the top view camera of the car, so you don't scratch the rims of your brand new car.
That would come in very handy in my case. Stefan, thank you so much for walking us through, to you and all the other experts for helping us complete the puzzle piece by piece. See you soon, Stefan. Thank you.
See you soon. Thank you.
All right, and as you can see, 3 very different fields of expertise, 3 very different people, but at the end of the day, they all had one thing in common. Did you take note of the fact that the new GLA, well, it's all about what it can do for you as the driver, not the other way around, all right? That is exactly what the all-new Mercedes Benz GLA stands for.